Okay, so we go into another topic. This one is the inverse trig functions. And so we're still getting derivatives. Okay, so for trigonometric functions. Okay, so these ones here, we're getting these. So for ease of writing, here we're saying that the derivative of arcsine x is this one here. So just to explain, arcsine, okay, arcsine is the same as this one here, okay, and so this applies to all of these ones here. Now, the only cautionary note that we can have on these ones is that we just need to know the form of this one, which one represents which one. At this point, you do not have to really understand where these actually come from. Okay, there's no need for that at this point. All you have to know is the shape of each one of these. Then as we go, we will look at how we can actually derive these. Okay, but for now, that's not the sense. So the sense for us is just to know that derivative for arcsine x or sine negative x is actually 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. Then the one for arccos is going to be that. The only key thing that we need to remember is which ones are negative and which ones are positive. Okay, because they're easy actually to memorize, but sometimes the negative and positive and all that, it gets a bit confusing. It's the same concept that we looked at previously. It's something that can help us. If we are doing an operation on cosine, we're going to have negative. If we're doing an operation on cosec, we're going to have a negative. If we're doing an operation on cot, we're going to get a negative. So the only other thing that we need to remember is that negatives are with they're with the ones that start with co of the 6 basic functions. Okay, so if it's cotangent, it's got that. If it's cosine, it's got that. If it's cosec, it's got a negative. But the shapes are these ones. This one, that one, that one, that one, that one. We don't have to complicate this at this point in terms of trying to understand how these come about. It's easy, but it's not important at this point. Okay, so let's just focus. For now, I would encourage everybody just to try and memorize. It's rare that I would say that someone must memorize, but at this point, let's memorize each one of these, okay, and then we should be able to apply them.